Action.
Making a movie takes hundreds of people and is an incredible amount of work.
I got about 3.5 hours sleep last night.
I'm Alan Wolfe, the writer, director, and producer of the romantic comedy The Sound of Violet. The story is based on my novel. It's about a man who thinks he found his perfect soulmate, but his autism and trusting nature keep him from realizing she's actually a prostitute looking for a ticket out of her trapped life. Our film brings attention to important issues such as autism and human trafficking.
It's so important to make movies like this. This is like my dream come true.
You guys ready to get in the movie?
Yeah! All right, here we go. Pictures up, point on set.
This is my first feature ever, so working for this amount of time has been kind of a challenge.
It's a new experience. It's my first time ever doing a script supervisor position.
I feel very tired. This is my first feature film. I'm living the dream. It's exactly what I want to do with my life.
Okay, let's get this before the pirate ship arrives. The pirate ship just docked and they think they're supposed to be here, but they're in our shot. We can't film with them being here.
Accidents happen, people get lost, late, lights break. It's a lot of work.
Cut. Join me on this incredible journey to experience how we made The Sound of Violet.
See action.